Good evening, everyone. Now that the worst of the storm has passed, I have some preliminary snow totals for you guys. Actually, a couple of them are already confirmed. Cheyenne, Casper, and Riverton. So those are the actual snowfall numbers that we got over the last 24 hours, not including what we got last night. It's just the totals from yesterday. I do have the other ones are preliminary. They are sent to the National Weather Service by viewers like you guys on social media. Laramie got about over 10 inches. Scottsbluff about 5.5. Douglas 4 inches. Kimball and Wheatland 16 inches of snow. I will be sure to post the updated ones once these numbers are actually verified by the National Weather Service. Precipitation totals, so we got about 7.2 inches in Cheyenne. In terms of actual liquid precipitation, got about 0.34. For the entire month, or for this year, which has just been a couple of days so far, normally about 0.06 inches in terms of precipitation. We've already had about 0.6 given what we got on New Year's, so now we're total at 0.4 of an inch. So we are above average in terms of our precipitation totals, which is good news considering Cheyenne region is under a severe drought conditions. In terms of where we are right now, we're actually warming up about 18 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Winds are starting to pick up south-southwest at 20 miles per hour. As a result, wind chill is just down to 2 degrees. In Laramie, even warmer, 36 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. Visibility is far better than what we saw yesterday. West winds really picking up 35 miles per hour, bringing the wind chill down to just 22 degrees. Satellite and radar seeing a little bit of trace amounts of snow still left over from that frontal system, the heaviest of which has actually moved out to the eastern side of the states, going all the way from Tennessee, stretching up to the southern tip of New York. Locally, not seeing a ton of activity, most of which is just sticking to mountain ranges to the west of Riverton, west of Sheridan, and also starting to come up in the Nebraska Panhandle, places like Scottsbluff, and heading down towards Sydney, so they can expect the most amount of snow going into those overnight hours. Here's what I got for you in terms of snowcast. So by around midnight, Alliance should get about an inch or so in terms of snow. The rest of the places more so just trace amounts over the next couple of days. Not expecting a whole lot as conditions will be clearing up. Steamboat Springs, being in the mountains, of course, will see the most amount of snow. Winds, on the other hand, will be picking up significantly over the next couple of days, especially out to the far west. Rawlins, Wheatland, Laramie, Cheyenne, all of them going to see gusts getting up to over 40, even 50 miles per hour, blowing lots of snow and causing a number of travel impacts. Much of I-80 is already closed off. If not, it's partially closed off due to lots of snow and those winds starting to pick up all of that snow. Overnight tonight, we are actually going to be warming up. Keep in mind the lows are going to be the lows for tomorrow. This could be around 2 a.m., so temperatures will be warming up as we go into those overnight hours. Tomorrow for the high, that's going to be around the afternoon hours, seeing much warmer temperatures with those lower 40s finally back in the forecast. And they're going to stick around too, and that's a good thing because as we head into the weekend, temperatures will just cool off slightly, but those skies will clear out thanks to those breezy conditions, and we will see those warmer temperatures. Nothing significant in terms of winter weather for at least the next 7 days.